Hello all, today we are on Windows 11. We're taking a look at some of the things you should probably do on a fresh install of Windows 11, or if you just got a new computer, you finished setting up your user profile, and you're now to the desktop screen. So let's get into it. So to start off, the first thing I like to do is clean up my taskbar. Right here at the bottom, this looks way too messy to me, especially if you compare it to like Windows 10. So let's go ahead, we're going to right click on the taskbar, hit taskbar settings, and that's going to give us some basic options. So search box, I'm not a huge fan of it, so let's go ahead and hide that. So we just got rid of our search box down there. Task view, which is this icon, this allows you to separate your different windows into separate desktop views, basically giving you like more screens, but not really. So let's go ahead and get rid of that as well. Widgets, I want to get rid of these. This is going to get rid of this over here in the left. Awesome. So this already looks a whole lot cleaner. Now, when I have all these apps, I'm still not a huge fan of that. So Microsoft Edge, I don't use that. Let's unpin that. The Windows Store, I can always search for that later. We're going to go ahead and undo that. Outlook, get rid of that. And Copilot, I do not use. So right now, all we have is the Start menu and our File Explorer. I do want to get Chrome down there, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open up Chrome, hit Pin to Taskbar, and I like it being right there. Perfect. Next, I want to clean up our desktop a little bit. We are going to go ahead and drag these icons into the trash. And let's go ahead and empty the recycle bin. Perfect. Now we have a nice clean desktop and clean taskbar. So the final thing I'd like to do is clean up this start menu here. So we can go ahead and right click and uninstall. I'm not going to be playing any of the built-in games or really using any of the built-in apps. So we can uninstall those. Uninstall. Some of these might be something that you want to personally use, and that's all fine if you want to leave that. We can unpin some of these. Not everything can be undeleted, but a good amount of things can be uninstalled. I'm not going to be playing games on here, so we can go ahead and uninstall that. Yeah, let's uninstall Paint. I don't need that. Calculator. I do like having a calculator, so I'm just going to unpin that. Same with the clock and notepad. Unpin that. And Edge. Let's get this out of here. Cool. So that's going to give me a nice clean slate to start from with my new computer, my new Windows 11 install, and I think we're ready to start using the computer. Let me know if this video helped you out, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.